now we have two kinds of dependency. One is called direct dependency, another is called indirect. Okay, so indirect dependency, like which is called full functional dependency, means all attribute must be fully functional dependent on the primary key. So when the columns are fully functional dependent on the primary key, we call as a direct dependency or mubashara dependency, right? And another one is called indirect dependency. Indirect means like a transitive. Transitive means like via. Like for example, if you go to the Switzerland, so you go via Dubai, you go via Abu Dhabi, or you go via Oman. So that's called a transit. So indirect, okay, that is indirect. So value of attribute is not determined directly by the primary key over there. Okay. So this is example like fee. Okay. So the fees of a show, for example, if there is like some cinema show or something, so it is not determined by the performer ID. Okay, it is determined by what? Performer's name. Okay, which kind of performer type, and the location as well. So these three combined determine the fee over there. So it means that this is not directly on the performer ID, but it is depending on these three. So you will see that what is the name of the performer, which type of performance he or she will do, and in which place, whether they are doing in the performance in Hollywood or in Europe or in Dubai. So you have to see the location. These three location will find out the tickets fees for the performer over there, right? Yeah, so like yeah, so if it is like the fee was like, for example, these are the direct. So the perform, if you want to find the performer's name by ID, you can easily find it, right? Like performer type, you can easily find from the ID. The performer location you can find from the direct from ID. But the fee, if you want to find, you have to see the performer type, which kind of the performer type, and then you will find, and then with ID both. So the combination of these two will find the fee over there. This is called the indirect dependency or transitive dependency.